The NEET probe has already picked up pace. Remember, the case has been handed over to the CBI. The centre has also assured that the interest of the students is going to be paramount for the centre, and that's something that they're looking at. But while the probe has been handed over to the CBI, they've also filed the first FIR in the case. The probe has also widened with a Bihar angle also coming in the same. Remember, Gujarat is also going to be in the ambit with details coming in of paper leaks allegedly taking place in Gujarat as well as Bihar. So that's also going to come under the ambit of the CBI now considering the probe. Take a look at the political reactions that are coming in, because NEET is also one of the biggest issues that will be picked up in the parliament by the opposition.
Government has taken proactive steps to protect the interests of the students, and this committee will provide recommendations in two ways. One is the restructuring of NTA and its functioning, and then the entire gamut of the processes involved in the conduct of the examination.
High-powered committee बनी है, मिस्टर राधा कृष्णन जिसके हेड हैं, जो कि इसरो के पूर्व चेयरमैन थे और अभी IIT कानपुर के बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स के चेयरमैन हैं, कि जो पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन एक्ट है उसका नोटिफिकेशन कर दिया गया है, जिसके अंतर्गत जो भी इसमें दोषी पाया जाएगा उस पे 1 करोड़ रुपए का जुर्माना और 10 साल की सजा हो सकती है.
Government of India, particularly Ministry of Education, has taken a decision to transfer the NTA chief, and this is a step in the right direction in order to build confidence amongst the students and the candidates who appeared for NEET UG examination. Government is taking all necessary steps to improve the processes of the examination.
All right, let's tell you what else is expected today, apart from the parliament session taking place today. Times Now has learned that the new NTA Director General is set to hold a high-level meeting today. That's expected. Remember, the new NTA DG has been appointed. Sources tell Times Now that the new NTA chief could decide on the next exam dates as well. And not just that, the centre's high-level panel is also slated to hold its first meeting today. The panel is expected to devise steps to also look into what should be done next. So that's expected today. Let's go across to Sabyasachi with that update. Sabyasachi, the NTA DG was shunted out, new DG being appointed. So that's expected today, the first meeting to be taking place. Apart from that, the examination dates could also be decided, and this is going to be very, very crucial because students have been waiting anxiously, waiting for when the examinations will be held. And this, of course, also holds significance because today the parliament session is going to begin. The opposition is going to hold the centre accountable.
Well, absolutely. See, the NTA new DG would be holding an important meeting where the discussion will take place on the current scenario as well as the date of the postponed examination can be decided. On the other hand, the panel which has been constituted by the Ministry of Education, they would be meeting together, and the focus would be on the transparency of the NTA, whether there is any non-compliance from the NTA or not. See, as far as the investigation is concerned, see, the Bihar EOU, who has been conducting the examination, they have gone on record to say, to speak on the non-compliance of the NTA regarding the transportation as well as regarding the security standards that need to be followed to make sure the papers are secure. See, all these things would be discussed in the meeting, and these two meetings would be extremely crucial because the date would be announced, and on simultaneously they also know the fact that how the opposition parties have been raking up their attack on the central government as well as on the NTA and how it has completely failed as an education system. See, the Congress, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in fact, have gone ahead and stated that under the central government rule, it seems that the entire education system has been hijacked by mafia. And at this particular time, the NTA and the Education Ministry is under a lot of pressure to make sure that the students whose life is at danger, who have worked so hard, their hard work does not go into vain. A proper examination date is announced as soon as possible.
Okay. Absolutely, and the students are waiting for that, but the politics around it continues. Sabyasachi, stay with us. Let's get our viewers up to speed with the investigation thus far in the NEET exam case. So the Bihar police, that is significant findings. The investigation has found that the poly bags in which the question papers had been kept had been tampered with. So they found that the source of the paper leaks is Hazaribagh. So that's where the probe has intensified. The police have also found that the storage as well as transportation was compromised with, and that's where the papers had been leaked. Apart from that, details also that the police have obtained show that those who had leaked the paper not just provide the question paper and the answers to the students, but also provided them with duplicate SIM cards as well as hotels to stay in. So the investigations going on one hand, the Bihar police zeroing in on who is the mastermind behind the paper leak, how many people are involved, which are the exact locations where the paper leaks have happened, and where exactly were these loopholes that need to be plugged in for later. Investigation going on one side, but on the other side, the politics also remains unabated, because the opposition continues to say the DG of the NTA has been shunted out, yes, but the buck does not stop there. The opposition has been demanding the resignation of the education minister.
एक रात पहले ये घोषणा कर देना कि अब एग्जाम नहीं होगा, ये सरकार एग्जाम नहीं करा पा रही है। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है। जो शिक्षा मंत्री आज से 4 दिन पहले एनटीए को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, अब एनटीए के डायरेक्टर जनरल जो एग्जाम्स के हैं उनको हटा रहे हैं। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है।
डायरेक्टर बदलने से कोई होने वाला नहीं, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, मंत्री बदलने चाहिए। पहले मंत्री महोदय ने कहा था कुछ गड़बड़ है ही नहीं, फिर कहा था कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है, और कल 24 घंटे जब थे एग्जाम के लिए, तब परीक्षा ही पोस्टपोन कर दिए। और जो ये गड़बड़ी चल रही है, कहते हैं 1 नेशन 1 पोल, 1 एग्जाम नहीं कर पाते।
जो आदमी बैठे बैठे क्लीन चिट देते, सड़कों पर बच्चे आए, उनका आक्रोश आया, उसके बाद कहानियां गढ़ने लगे कि थोड़ी विसंगति हम देखेंगे। अब क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? ये एनटीए में फ्रॉड है। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए।
The cancellation of NEET PG exams is sending a chilling message across the country that the BJP government is incompetent, is allowing gangs, organized gangs, to leak the papers.